Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox scripts. Roblox scripting is a powerful way to customize your games and experiences. The only legitimate and safe method involves using Roblox Studio, the official development environment. You'll be diving into the Lua programming language, which is the foundation for all scripting within the platform. This allows you to bring your creative visions to life with interactive elements and unique game mechanics, making your creations truly stand out. Once you have Roblox Studio open, begin by creating a brand new game project. This provides a clean canvas for your development. Next, locate the Explorer window and insert a new script object into an appropriate location, such as Workspace or Server Script Service. Double-clicking this new script will open the built-in editor. Here, you will write all your Lua code, defining how objects behave and how your game functions. It's a straightforward process to get started with your first lines of code. To effectively script in Roblox, mastering Lua basics is crucial. Focus on understanding variables to store data, functions to organize your code, and conditional statements for decision-making. Events are also fundamental. They allow your scripts to react to player actions or game changes. Start by experimenting with simple scripts, perhaps one that changes an object's color or position. There are countless free tutorials and resources available to guide you through these initial steps, making learning accessible for everyone. After writing your script, thorough testing is essential to ensure everything works as intended. Utilize the play button within Roblox Studio to run your game and observe its behavior. Keep a close eye on the output window, as it will display any errors or messages generated by your scripts, providing valuable clues for troubleshooting. For more complex issues, consider adding print statements to your code. These statements will output specific values to the output window, helping you track the flow of your program and pinpoint problems effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.